Hello and welcome to English Fluent Forge, the podcast for people who want to speak English with more confidence and happiness. My name is Tom, and I am here to help you speak English in a natural and easy way, step by step every day. I will speak slowly and clearly, so you can listen, understand, and repeat after me. In today's episode, we will talk about something very simple, but very powerful. How to practice English every day. Even if you are busy. Even if you feel shy. Even if you do not live in an English-speaking country. Many people think, I must live in the UK or America to speak English well. But that is not true. You do not need to live in London. You do not need a native speaker beside you. You do not need to study for many hours every night. What you really need are small and smart steps. Steps that are easy to repeat. Steps that fit into your daily life. Steps that help you feel relaxed, natural, and confident when you use English. So let's begin. What is shadowing? First, let me ask you a question. Have you heard the word shadowing before? Maybe yes. Maybe no. Shadowing is one of the best ways to improve your listening and speaking together. And it is very simple. Here's how it works. You listen to someone speaking English, like me right now, and you repeat the words immediately. You do not stop. You do not translate in your head. You do not check a dictionary. You just copy the sound, like an echo. You try to speak at the same speed, with the same rhythm, and the same tone. Let's try together. I will say a sentence. You repeat after me. Backhand index pointing right. I want to speak English fluently. Now you repeat. Backhand index pointing right. I listen to English every day. Now you repeat. Backhand index pointing right. Shadowing helps me speak better. Very good. That is shadowing. At the beginning it may feel strange. You may not understand every word. That is okay. Shadowing is not about understanding everything. It is about training your brain and your mouth to work together. It helps you feel the sound of English. It helps English feel natural in your mouth. If you do this every day, even for 5 minutes, you will speak faster, clearer, and more naturally. Small habit. Big results. How can you practice English every day? Many learners tell me, Tom, I want to learn English, but I don't have time. I feel nervous when I speak. I don't know where to start. And my answer is always the same. You do not need much time. You do not need perfect grammar. You do not need to wait. You only need to start. Now let me share 5 simple ways to practice English every day, in real life. Tip 1. Listen to English every day. This is the most important step. If you want to speak English well, you must listen to English every day. Not once a week. Not only in class. Every day. Listening helps you learn new words. It helps you feel the rhythm of English. It trains your ears to understand faster. You can listen to podcasts like this one, English songs, YouTube videos, short stories, news for learners. You do not need to understand everything. Even 30% or 50% is good. You can listen while walking, cooking, cleaning, resting. Just 10 to 15 minutes a day is enough. Make English your background sound. Tip 2. Shadow what you hear. Now use your voice. Listening is good, but speaking makes you strong. After listening to a sentence, repeat it. Copy the voice. Copy the rhythm. For example, backhand index pointing right. I want to get better at English. Repeat. Backhand index pointing right. I don't understand everything, but I continue. Repeat. Backhand index pointing right. I am improving little by little. Repeat. Do this every day. Your speech will become smoother. Your pronunciation will improve. Your confidence will grow. It does not need to be perfect. It only needs practice. Tip 3. Think in English. This is very powerful. Start thinking in English. One small thought at a time. At first it feels hard. Translation is slow. So start simple. In the morning. It is morning. I am sleepy. I need coffee. The sky is blue. It is cold. I see a dog. During the day. I am working. I am tired. I want to go home. Later, say these thoughts quietly out loud. This builds a direct connection to English. Tip 4. Read aloud. Reading silently is good. Reading aloud is better. It trains your mouth, your tongue, and your brain. Choose easy text. Children's books. Beginner stories. Short dialogues. Read slowly first. Then a little faster. Then with emotion. Imagine you are an actor. This is like exercise for your speaking muscles. Tip 5. Use English in daily life. Do not only study English. Live with English. Change your phone language to English. Write short diary sentences every day. Record 1 minute of your voice daily. Join online English groups. Watch short videos and repeat sentences. Turn small daily actions into English practice. Write your to-do list in English. Say, good morning in English. Watch 5 minutes of English video. Small actions create strong habits. Strong habits create confident speakers. Final message. Make English part of your life, not just something you study. When English becomes part of your thoughts, your phone, your voice, and your habits, stops feeling like homework. It becomes something you live with. And that is where real fluency begins. Now let's talk about something very important. If you want to speak English well, you should not only study English. You should use English every day. English should not be only a subject. It should be part of your life. Many learners think, I study English for 30 minutes. That is enough. But real progress happens when English becomes part of your daily routine. Let me explain. Think about your morning habits. You wake up. You check your phone. You drink tea or coffee. Now imagine doing these small things in English. When you wake up, say in your mind, good morning. It is a new day. I feel a little sleepy. These are small sentences, but they help your brain connect to English. Change your phone to English. One easy step is to change your phone language to English. You look at your phone many times every day. Maybe 20 times. Maybe 50 times. Maybe more. When your phone is in English, you see English words again and again. Words like settings, messages, update, download, delete, airplane mode, battery, brightness. You do not need to study these words. Your brain learns them naturally. This is called passive learning. It is slow but very powerful. Write a short English diary. Another great habit is writing a small diary. You do not need to write long stories. Just write 3 short sentences every day. For example, today I went to work. I was very tired. I watched an English video. That's enough. You can write in a notebook or on your phone. This helps you practice real English from your real life. 5 minutes a day is enough. Record your voice. Now let's talk about speaking. Every day record a 1-minute voice message. Just open your phone and talk about your day. You can say, today was busy. I had a meeting. I learned new English words. Do not worry about mistakes. No one else will hear it. This is only for you. When you listen to your own voice, You learn faster. You hear your pronunciation. You notice your mistakes. Next time you speak better. This builds confidence. Join English groups online. You do not need a classroom. You can practice English online. Join an English WhatsApp group. Join a Telegram channel. Join Facebook groups for English learners. You can write short messages. You can send voice notes. You can read what others write. Even reading helps. English becomes real. English becomes communication, not just study. Use short videos for practice. Short videos are very helpful. You can watch English videos on YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, TikTok. Choose videos you like. Travel, food, daily life, funny clips. Watch one short video 2 or 3 times. Then pause. Repeat the sentences. Copy the voice. Copy the speed. Copy the feeling. Even 20 seconds is good practice. Now let's talk about something very important. Many people start learning English with excitement. They feel motivated. They feel hopeful. But after some time, they feel tired. They feel slow. They feel stuck. Maybe this has happened to you. You think, why am I not improving? Why is English still hard? Maybe English is not for me. If you feel this way, listen carefully. You are not weak. You are not bad at English. You are just human. Learning a language takes time. Progress is slow, and that is normal. English improvement is not fast. Some days you feel confident. Some days you feel confused. This is normal. You will not feel progress every day, but progress is still happening. Think about a plant. You water it every day. You do not see change immediately, but after some weeks, it grows. English is the same. Small practice every day creates big results over time. Do not compare yourself. One big problem is comparison. You see other people speaking English well. You think, they are better than me. Stop comparing. They started before you. They practiced more than you. Your journey is different. Only compare yourself to yesterday's you. If today you understand a little more, if today you speak one sentence with less fear, that is success. Mistakes are your teachers. Many learners are afraid of mistakes. They think, if I make a mistake, people will laugh. But mistakes are not enemies. Mistakes are teachers. Every mistake shows you what to improve next. Children learn language by making mistakes. That is why they become fluent. So speak. Make mistakes. Learn. Move forward. Perfect English is not the goal. Clear and confident English is the goal. Focus on consistency, not perfection. You do not need to study for 2 hours. You do not need to learn 50 words a day. You only need consistency. 5 minutes every day is better than 1 hour once a week. Even on busy days, do something small. Listen to English for 5 minutes. Say 3 sentences. Think in English for 1 moment. Small steps keep the habit alive. Celebrate small wins. Do not wait for fluency to feel proud. Celebrate small wins. Did you understand a sentence without translation? Celebrate. Did you speak English without fear? Celebrate. Did you practice today even for 3 minutes? Celebrate. These small wins give you energy to continue. Make English part of who you are. Do not think, I study English. Think, I am an English learner. English is not a test. It is a skill. It is a tool to connect with people, to grow, to create opportunities. When English becomes part of your identity, you stop giving up. Final message. Remember this. You do not need to be fast. You do not need to be perfect. You only need to continue. Practice a little. Listen a little. Speak a little. Every single day. If you keep going, one day you will look back and say, well, I can speak English now. And that day will come, because you did not stop. See you in the next episode, seedling.